The Angel study was a phase 3 global multi-center study in gastric cancer patients, third line or greater. We enrolled 460 subjects, and we locked the database earlier this year and presented at ESMO the top-line data publicly for the first time. The primary endpoint was overall survival. In third line and greater patients, there wasn't a significant difference between rivoceranib, our drug, and placebo. But for progression-free survival and the other endpoints like overall response rate, it was very significant difference. We had prospectively stratified the trial to look at third line or greater or fourth line or greater subjects. And in the fourth line or greater, overall survival was significantly different, as well as progression-free survival, overall response rate, all of the other efficacy indicators. The trial is, I think, significant in that it represents the first global trial of rivoceranib. And the safety profile was as expected, meaning relatively tolerable, with the main side effects related to drug being hypertension, hand-foot syndrome, and proteinuria. So we're optimistic with these results and are currently preparing for discussions with health authorities to see what the best path forward is for getting this drug into the hands of oncologists. Rivoceranib is a tyrosine kinase inhibitor. We consider it first in class. It's an anti-angiogenic drug, so it will be effective in solid tumors by blocking the blood supply development to those tumors. Consequently, we're looking at colorectal cancer, liver cancer, hepatocellular carcinoma, sarcomas of different types, as well as adenoid cystic carcinoma. So we have a large number of targets, but we've limited ourselves to those, and there are clinical trials ongoing or just starting in all of those different areas. We're also continuing to work on gastric cancer in earlier lines of therapy in combination with paclitaxel.